start by measuring the sink. Now I'm going to mark exactly where I want this sink to sit. Use a tape measure to measure from the edge to make sure that your sink is straight. Then trace the edge of the sink. This is not my cut line. We're going to take a measurement and mark just inside this line. My cut line is going to be the inside line. If I cut the outside line, the sink's going to fall through. So to do myself a favor, I try to erase the outside edge the best I can before I get started. When cutting laminate, I always use painter's tape. This is going to prevent any chipping to your countertop. Here I'm making a hole so that I can fit my jigsaw blade in, and I begin to cut out the sink hole. Now that my hole is cut out, I can remove the painter's tape. Now I can insert my sink and I'm done.